Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Bitcoin. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Bitcoin has been overall bullish, making higher lows and higher highs trading inside this rising broadening wedge. And as per my last two analysis, we know that Bitcoin has been in a correction phase after breaking below this major low. However, we know that it wouldn't last long because we compared it to the previous one. The bears took over for a couple of candles before the bulls kick in again to start the next impulse movement to push price higher. Moreover, I've posted this analysis around this area, which is called a trio retest, which is my favorite setup, which is basically the intersection of three rejections. That's why it's a trio retest, which is the lower trend line in blue, this demand zone, previously a resistance as well, turned support and a demand, and an oversold trend line, which is the lower orange trend line. That's why we're looking for buy stops around this area, of course, to be confirmed on lower time frames by waiting for a high broken upward. So now we had the rejection, we traded higher, price respected this small correction before the bulls to take over again, and the impulse started. Now we're approaching the 30 to 32k resistance zone, which is a massive resistance from weekly time frame. Let's wait for it. Fantastic. Also a supply zone, as we had an aggressive movement there in front. So for the bulls to take over from a macro perspective, we need to see a weekly candle close above the 32k. In this case, we'll be expecting one more leg down, leg up, sorry, just like previous. So impulse correction, and we are currently in the making of the next impulse. For the bulls to remain in control and to form a bigger impulse, we need a break above the 32k. For now, the 30 to 32k is acting as a resistance zone, and the bears might still take over for a correction movement, which I also posted yesterday around this level, which is the 29,500. As you can see, price rejected the zone and is already trading higher. For the bears to take over, for the correction to start, we need to see a break below it. In this case, expect this movement till around this demand zone, where we'll be looking for trend following buy setups on lower time frames. Meanwhile, we would be bullish as long as we are above this low, of course, would be bullish, and we can still trade higher, dive inside the 32k before trading lower if we form a bearish reversal setup, or and of course, um, if we keep on trading higher and break it upward in a parabolic manner. In this case, expect further bullish movement. That's it for today. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.